villagers, they never called us okungama guerrilla. They respected us as guerrillas. But it's a singama veterans. Sokungama. Singama guerrilla.
So what did you do to deserve okuba ngokungama? Today in the program, I'm talking to Ruben Avon Ngwenya. Ibizo lempini kwakunguLord Siwela. He was a political commissar, and we'll be talking about materialism and idealism and all those kind of things.
Ngifuna ukutshela ukwenzakalani but ngazibona senilimele lapha nganilimele khona. Limala kakhulu kahle. But now ngazibona sengene kuma helicopter. Ama-helicopter lana ayibuya eChina anti FC it was like it was a farm.
Yeah.
Sasiphakathi apho kulezindlu khona lezihlahla. Right round, almost right round kulinyiwe kuleyo magadi soku ready for planting. So nxa siphuma lapha siphuma singena ngapi? Egcekeni. Ama-helicopter ayabuya aya assault. So ngazibona sengiphakathi laphakathi kwama-helicopter ukuthi kwenzakalani hayi I don't want to tell you. But ngazibona sengiphakathi laphakathi kwama-helicopter ngingakwanisi ukuya phambili ngingakwanisi ukuya emuva but ngaphaphama sengilimele khona lapho. Ngihlala ngitshela umntanami ngithi umntanami umncane kubomvu buka 76 nkazana. Kucheka ukuncane kubomvu but into engayikwenzayo wavela khona bonke amathi pha eku-edge ngamfice seyo yona semvele empini. Ngarealize ukuthi but mangwelwana so ukuthi kuyabhonjwa lapha semfila was ready to die. It might be joke ngaba ready mina sengalunga ukuthi hayi sengihamba but yeah. Ngasukuma kuphela ngalaphana ngihlule ukuhamba ngazothwalwa. Now la khathesi for information ndebele ngile splinter la sinamathele embanjeni la.
Yeah.
Asiphumanga madokotela bathi ngeke besikhiphe. Why? Because if they said bengaba successful to remove it is about wheelchair or else we are usually problem.
Yeah.
So that was my choice to say whichever I do. But they'd given me 20 years ihlala laso. That was 78, 88, 98. So 20 years you see expired.
So then you said after 20 years we will skip.
But no, but no sihlala but vele ngaskip. But you live it with. Akona ama reports ama locals ngapha live with it. So those were equipment doctors then in Zambia.
Yeah.
So babe nike 20 years uzahlala lazo for 20 years. But bathi sebeloko sidliwa mbijana.
So within that just singasekho.
Asiphela. Ngihlala ngihamba isiye esibhedlela ngisiya-check ukuthi singakanani.
Siyayehla kodwa.
Yeah, siyehla mbijana. So right, senzilimele lapha.
Yeah.
Ngithi ngalimala kakhulu Ndebele. Kakhulu Siphi. Ngangizitshela ukuthi yimi ngedwa endilimele kakhulu. But ukhomsara omunye sasilimele singithu salimala ukhomsara abalimala kakhulu sangithu. Ngithuka kakhulu ngikhangela yena. Wayehlezi. Kabuyanga ekhaya yena wathi izwe lithatha wala ubhubhele eZambia. Wayebambi amathumbu ngeyembe. Mahlangu. Amkhangela so ngabona ukuthi but inqembi nangcono mina. So sathwala of course sayiwe esibhedlela elusaka laphana into eyenzakalayo elusaka laphana we are told because kwamele siye theater singakahle.
Yeah.
Sasifika laphana bathi bona no dlanini alisayi theater seliyahamba kusasa. Sesiqeda ukudla bathi theater. So basebenza ukuthi ngase ku theater laphana sihlitshwe ikudla sife. So then ke abantwana abangama nurse elusaka hayi bachayila ihlombe basebenza kakhulu. Basitshela ukuthi sale ukuhlatshwa intravenous injection ukuze silokhuze because ungahlatshwa lana uyabhodla ukudla sokubuya sokukhama. So what they did was basebe neutralizer. Bahlaba lapha engangilimele khona ba neutralizer lapha.
So meaning somehow the doctors there
basungena makhiwa.
Yeah.
Makhiwa isekhona phakathi. Salala khona the following day we moved to Maken's up clinic or hospital.
Yeah.
Makhiwa isefikile. okunye kwangikhona ngokulimala kwami kule history ngani ifani man, because sandikutshela ngomntwana senilimele laphana ngangena ngo7 o'clock theater, ngathi ngaphaphama ngo11 o'clock the following day. Yeah, ngangena ngo7 ntambama. Yeah, kwachaya u7 okuseni, kwachaya kuzathi 11 o'clock. Sengivalelwe ngecurtain, sengu isolation. Unese ephethe ifoni, iwatch. Ngathi ngiphaphama so she sprang on the chair. Weqasi lokukwethuka sibili. Amadoda ayengala chawukhwelo abanye bami.
Because I got this feel.
Hey. Waphuma wathi wabuya dosi curtain. Ngizwa ka shaya isicathulo ukuthi wayishiya ngapha. I don't know boyisiyamisa abantu ukuthi bengabuyile trailer ngiyemosha, I don't know. So iko kwenzakalayo. Yeah. So saya eMageni sahlala, hayi sasiselatsho kakhulu. Bungasima keeping doctors ngabe kasikho. Babe ngelaphi lokho kuncane lokho. No, there was a lot of food, injection, oral injection. Yonke into sayiphiwa lapha. Yeah.
So uyasikhathi waqina.
Ngabuye ngilokho ngipatient imvele Zambia.
Yeah.
But into engenzayo ukuthi bazofuna ukuphoza lapha ngizama ukukhangela isituation lana engamnandi.
Yeah.
Now sinisuka lapha ngathi ngaphuma esibhedlela, i-department yami uCommissar Emmanuel wabuya wazonithatha. Bangisesolwezi.
Yeah.
Solwezi is about 80 kilometers to Lubumbashi.
Yeah.
Lapha kosuku lenkamba khona kwakungasela political commissar. So ngabuya ngazothathwa lapha. But nxa benithatha lapha ngabuzwa nguCommissar ukuthi ufuna ukuya ekhaya usafuna ukuhlala lapha. Ngathi ufuna ukuya ekhaya. But ngayingenelisa ukuya ekhaya. But the fact that the situation kuriye yayisimbi kakhulu engasafuna umuntu otrain leyo hlala eLukuzini, because you could be attacked anytime. Sasisiba vulnerable. So kubuye ekhaya kwasokuba ngcono kulokuhlala kuriye. Yeah, we called it that riye. I was saying no, qala uye ngale uqala ngoba amadokotela of course ba recommend ukuthi I cannot come home. Uma ngempela soze ngibuye ekhaya. Sasisiya ke ngasensiya eMaheba ngaba political commissar ngikhona ngale. That was March, sisiya February March. Sisiya ngisiya eSolwezi. Ngo-April amakhiwa besichaya makhiwa. Besichaya makhiwa laphana kulento enzakalayo. Besichaya makhiwa laphana. Ngathi sifika laphana kwakule ndege yamazambians ayihamba Tuesday siyale ngo9 iphenduka ngo3 every Tuesday. Manje yaqinisa isiba irregular. Iframachina liyana. Kuthi yasisetshenziswa ikuyini ngamakhiwa. Now anginathi Ndebele. I'm bam imbanje. But ngifuna uku-emphasize lokho. Imbanje ngiyasihlonipha. Amadoda aye kuZEGU ku-anti-air bafika on that very day bekhala inyembezi bebe ngo3 shedding tears ayikona ukuthini bekhala bafika ku-admin ngidi ngale bathi bona amakomandiri inteke yamazambians namhlanje ingafika siyayidubula. It was around 10 o'clock. Kumele isikhathi sokuthi iye ngapi iye ku route yayo. Basiyayidubula lina ehlele sidubule. Sitshela abanye ngale kuZEGU ukuthi kona ingathusha bedubule. Lina ehlele sidubule khathesi. Ngasasathi manje abasoyitshontsha imbanje zani zamazambians. No guys, don't do that. What is supposed? But this is what we are telling. Babebuyela. Now again sasesile futhi 3 days ungela kudla enkambeni.
So isolwezi le.
Isolwezi le. Maheba they call it Maheba.
Yeah.
Abantu sibakhiphile enkambeni. From 10 o'clock Ndebele sahlala kwesixotsha abantu balambile xosha abantu kodwa kudla kwasokubuyile. Manje aqasa upheka busuku phuma abantu baphuma few people babuya bazopheka of course. In a way they were exposed because kwamelanga vele bengene.
Yeah.
Now uthe exactly 5 minutes to 6 zangena. Ntambama. Ngikhuluma ngo10 imbanje zika 10.
Yeah.
5 to 6 yangena. Indege lana yamazambians liyana eyidiscussa njengamazambians iyathusha kuqala. Into engayizwayo ngezwa kunyikinyeka phansi abafana bedubula. sonke sasikhona pha ku-administrative khangelani mbanje asuqeda ngumlomo ngemuva kokulama ngabizana okumnyama chu zekhavile njengokuqala ukukhuluma ukukhuluma kwami ngazo zasizedlule ngoba bazichaya in that respect ngiyayihlonipha mbanje
baba lesibindi abafana
lesibindi zabasebenzi zangisiza I could not be here
so asabhombanga zazi
hayi zabhomba zishela zibuya zishela sosedlula hayi babechaya amakati edmisayi i-adminate bayichaya bayiqeda nya finish that was that
so akula ngisho leyi-1 yawa
hayi zawa athi baziqalela phela yona layina emhlophe leleyo buya ikhokhela zona bahle bayichaya but then what those guys would do then zingachayo bona bayabuya the following day beziqedisa kumbe bephenduke ngoba bayiqedisa to conceal i-identity bazichaya. Now sasuka lapho of course we lost people wantu kusempini saluza abasabaluzayo ukuthi ngabe kuthi abafana lamana baqalisanga ngembanje whether nge-training let me say training ingabe yayinjuswa yilokhu but it was training yes ngabe benzanga njalo hayi ngabe vele basiqeda sasuka laphana osokulandela kwangikhona ukuthi sathi sasuka from lapho esibhonje khona na i-admin yami so I was the political camp commissar right sathi savumelana ukuthi khona nxa sihlala enkambeni kase sayigcini inkamba because somuzi wethu sase simobile so that bengaze basi attack futhi saba mobile throughout ilizwe lazilathathu of course but babuya futhi ama information babuya futhi besilanda futhi but amadoda bayichaya into yangikhona akadonsi izege esimswampini bayibetha eyabuyizwe izoyenza izokhangela ukuthi sihlezi njani but hayi sasesimuva ukuthi kwakungasahlalwa phansi either were here tomorrow were there tomorrow segarage ngathi tomorrow were here singavuma ukuhlala ndawonye but now political education again was not easy to conduct it now ngenxa ukuthi atmosphere was no longer conducive for grouping people ukuthi befunde nxa singangisibafundi ipolitics ngasembalanda ntambama ebusuku ngo-8 o'clock to 9 o'clock lapho ngase ngikhuluma khona labo batshela ipolitics but not for long again just pretty madoda kulento nje so khamba so just trying to boost immoral just to keep them inobele themba lokuthi akulanto embi enzakeleyo abantu bengaluzi hope this is what I was doing. I remember still one day into enzakalayo kwabuya ubaba umnoda wafa yamazi uSamuel umnoda wafa wabuya on other day emini wafa ngo-1 o'clock efuna ukubona inkamba makhetha zonke so I was called umsalute commander ufuna ukubona inkamba ngacela kakhulu ukuthi no ngicela mdala ungayiboni inkamba khathesi come at 8 o'clock in the evening ngoba khathesi ngakwenza ngihambe sengi-expose wena nge-expose labantu ngiyacela mdala he understood mdala he went back so that was then i-period leka 79 up to ilizwe lisiyathathwa.
So is this the time when I also under department of manpower?
Oh yes I could have said that you to say kulesikhathi lapho kwafika khona ukuthi kubonakala ukuthi khona kuphume ama-cadres izaphu I would not know the year time but I know ukuthi ngisiya eSolwezi ngase ngi-under i-manpower it's like ngangumilitary political commissar because I was already trained but now ke ucommissar Emmanuel esengikhipha wangisa ku-manpower ukuthi ngiye-orient abantu labana.
So manpower is a department for non-trained staff.
Manpower is a department of non-trained cadres. I-military yayingeka then sokungu-lookout masuku.
So who is the leader of or head manpower?
Manpower umuntu head manpower my knowledge was uJohn Nkomo. John Nkomo uyoyilida ye-manpower esebenza labantu abanjengabo uDan Jubani one person ayibonayo lo uStephen Nkomo unake kamdala and the other senior guy but wayenguhead John Nkomo. I know my ukuthi John Nkomo. Of course mnoda wafa is national chairman, he has been overall, but I see manpower in a way sasisi under ZAPU executive. So military well it was ZAPU party so kulelo khuzini njani.
So kuthiwa ceasefire uqondanga.
Ceasefire sembuye ekhaya. But ngibuya ngipatient that I told you ukuthi nilimele stress embuye ekhaya la sifike ekhaya lapha inyombo Khomsara ngayi Echinoyi briefly but ngasensiya Mashumbi Pools kulapha enga assembler khona eMashumbi Pools right up to demobilization. Of course demobilization asasuka ngale eMashumbi sasiwa eGwayi because it's like demobilization yonke yenzwa phosa abantu bonke sebeseGwayi. Abantu basukele eGwayi sebengena etowns sokusenziwa demobilization eLweleni Barracks. I was demobilized. I could not join the army. I was incapable in terms of physical appearance.
So you have gone to the war, so demobiliziwe uqonda ngaphi?
I went to school. When we ngitshela ukuthi ngenzani eFatima. Sengise eSoviet Union amanye ama chances ngananzela ukuthi abulawa ibhuku. I went to school. And okunye didn't say I think ngitshela ukuthi eRussia Moscow sasilochinga.
No, you didn't tell me. So I've heard so many stories about Chinga in Moscow that
Uchinga wayengumuntu wayevele ehlala khona la of course. Nguye umuntu wasintroduce ku life elokhuzene eMoscow.
So he's a ZAPU representative.
Yes, a ZAPU representative. Wayese senior ngibona ngale esenzela konke. Ngoyase organize into eziningi like futhi
ngiyabona ama TV avela kuChinga.
Athi wena ukuthi like singathenga I think umdalwane wayesenza khonoko. Singathenga ngoba introduce athenga nini lokho enzani lokho isitshwala kokule mpuphu yabantwana beRussia ababesidla iporridge. But ungayifaka kakhulu yaphenduka ibe ijiye iyo wasintroduce ndenzi kanti bese sithengile imbiza ostove obani kodwa esibafice bethengile asikufici lokho yani so thithi umdala nguye
umdala vele wayedila into lalijiya
ungenzekala ukuthi wayesenza khona lokho of interest okunye ngikhona engachila nalani element lani iqhakathekile sise-Russia during the great October Socialist Revolution celebrations that was in October babuya Joshua Nkomo leadership eZAPU yabuya khona umdala wasibiza sahamba njalo ngiyikhothi into engikhona into ayikhulumayo yi1 angikwazi ukuthi wayizizwa njani wasitshela wathi khona zwanini bantu abami kulenye into esemzimbeni wami la mengayizwisisiyo ngifisa ukuthi ngingafa omunye umntwana weZimbabwe ingene achapha konkomo but umunye umntwana weZimbabwe wase elaborate ukukhuluma izinto zabami Ntathu ukuqala wathi wona ngathi ngise eLondon isiza eLusaka uthi wagade from machine chartered for Lusaka kwathiwa no isi develop fault wehla bamtshengise enye bathi wakade no this was not destined for Lusaka wehla babemngenisa ku cargo plane wangena ku cargo plane uthi then cargo plane bamlanda but when executive leader how come you use this or they put you in this cargo plane what no harm back what else can I do uthi wasithi no come out sukunika into right uthi waphuma ku cargo plane wabe ngena ku chartered plane manje uthi chartered plane lana ithena ingakasuki is ready to take off uthi umntwana wekhiwa a young man if I can use his words uthi a young boy a young white boy he came shivering I forgot Joshua Nkomo what he has lead of ZAPU what he has what you gonna this plane is destined for Jan Smuts Airport isisiya ngaphi lapha eLusaka so all what they did all that confusion they wanted to confuse konze bemcapture bemuse ngaphi eSouth Africa uthi wehla so wayesitshela ngakho ukuthi kona angikwazi ukuthi kuyini umntwana lokuthi I don't know him even up to now but this is what he did right sungusithulo kanjalo ebese sitsho futhi ukuthi khona phela leadership kaJoshua Nkomo was national. That's why uzafica ukuthi khona in ZAPU we did not have Mashonaland neMathebeleland. We had regions, 5 regions. So
Which were the regions?
which regions? The Eastern region, Midlands, Northwest, Western region, Central Sanibali, Lokuzin.
It's in the center.
And kwakule Western region, that was this other side.
Yeah.
Lokuzin, Midlands, Masung, I think it was falling other Midlands. Then kuzobuya Central yarari kusiya kubo Lokuzin kubo, yes, kubo Pindura, kuzobuya Eastern region, that was Mtare. So kuzobuya Western region, that was Chinhoyi. So kwakufuneka kube lama regions so that kungaze kwaba lama tribal connotation. So that was the approach as up. So lokho way emphatic umdala ngakho sibi kakhulu. Way emphatic kakhulu.
So yeah, having said that, so wena usudemobiliziwe lapha esikolo qonda ufunda.
Oh okay, isikolo sengifunda sensiyaphambili. Sembala. Okay anje bese ngikhuluma ngesikolo nasekubhisile ngana pha. Ngaya ngazuza scholarship ku Christian Care.
Yeah.
Kulomdala wayesebenza ku Christian Care othiwa uMangubo, uReverend Mangubo. Ngangena khona phana. Kulesikolo esilokho sesekhona khathese Roma, eLuveve. Church Roma eseluveve ethiwa Uganda Matasi. Yeah, kulapho engafunda khona phana. Shaya account yami khona phana. Funda konke le O-level yami khona phana. But now it was very difficult. Ngokunye ngikhona futhi ukusetting ngaleso sikhathi ngoba i-political atmosphere yayingavumi ukuthi thina sibe known or rather to live because we're targets.
Yeah.
Ngiyafunda ngale part I was also
bakudinga.
Bandinga kakhulu. Now bangidinga ngalendlela. Ngithenga ukutshela ngathi ngangiconductor nje. If umali mambonke baku besemabhasini. Vele mina ngikhulela kodwa ngikhulela ngakongwenya. Though of course I know ukuthi ngongwenya but ngikhula ngingafuni ngongwenya ngifuna ngakudube you know because
lamabhasi.
Hayi ngalihlezi kahle. So ngikodube lapha. Umalimama olandela umama was a bus conductor ekhaya khona. Ethi ubus conductor ekhaya khona le. Ngizokuzwa uthumela abantwana uyambiza ngihlala emakhandeni. Ngiyendlini yakhe. Uthi khona ulandwe ngamajaha omchecha phansi ama-CIO. Bele 2 full scape A4 full scape ibizo lami lonke ngizebe nini ngakhulela ngaphi ngenza lokho ngenza lokho. They had all the information about me. Lokuthi ngafunda kabi konke ngikona nje ukuxoxela lokunye ngikuxoxela ngkhona kwamba bakuphala konke. Ekucineni kwakho konke kwathokona ukuze limbone uhambani ku Herbert Dube uconductor webus number 14 yakuphuleni ukuthi nguyekela omunye ayile lokho uzothayekela omunye. Nguye ozamtshela ozalitshela ngaye uli dissident.
Wena uli dissident. Yeah.
Uma umuntu khona ibus yafika yamiswa lapha 100 meters and yamiswa ku 50 meter in between the bus and those guys. Uthi wayelokho ebuzwa khona phana. Kulo muntu oyehamba in between ke embuza. Uthi babuza bazi bambuza ukuthi uli distant. Wathi umzukulu amasuli distant. Engikwazi ukuthi wabeyilimele empini. Ukuthi wayesempini yakwazi ukuthi wayese manje umuntu ongikona lo wayekwazi ukuthi empini ngani senzani. Uma lo muntu ngathi nganyanga empini mina ngikwazi but kodwa ukuthi wayesempini but ubuyelimele. The best thing I can do ukuthi ngikhiphe isikhoma sinike udriver. Linithathe lina ngihambelani straight endlini. Sizamfice khona. Besaba khona lokho. But ubuye kusasa le address yakhe. So I was called to give malume address ukuthi ayinika
madoda abesizokudinga. Like setting a trap for yourself.
Yes, I did set a trap for myself. And what happened thereafter I tell you kwabanzima kakhulu. There was a lot of meeting.
So babuya bazokudinga.
But they did not come to my house straight. But ngizabuya ku babebuya ebusuku beqoqode emawindini izimoto zingalama number. I was a lot of movement. Harassment yaba too much. Fanele bangena even lendlini ngatshontshela izinto bangena endlini bezosearcha bathathe izimali engangibekile imali ngoba lapho indlu yangayisoyamba fika imali engangigcinela ukuthi ngizathenga indlu
yeah
but why ungababuza
ngiyaqalisela
nga they would did whatever they did so ngabala but ngisebunzimeni obukhulu kakhulu
wapasa
ngenza lokho engakwenzayo yeah so fortunately ngagcina sengiqhatshwa ngo-84 sengithethe license ngasebenza ku-National Council of Disabled Persons of Zimbabwe. I don't know whether you know it.
Yeah. So maybe let me take you back. Ukhuluma ukuthi uhamba nothi umntwana. Wathi uhamba empini wazothethe.
Ngasengithethe, let me say so, ngasengithethe.
So ubuya lapho uyabuyele yafundi yenzani vele ulemuli.
Yeah, but lemuli but sokusukule ku-disturbance bitch la wesi kutshelo kana kakhulu. Yes, sukule muli yes but this disturbance sibe khona.
Do you regret ngesikhathi nokuthi ngihambe empini lapha
No, I don't regret.
I don't have sengiqalisa butsha.
No, I don't regret. Personally, I don't regret. But the only regret I have is the political knowledge that I have about the liberation of this country.
Yeah.
I'm unable to share it with other people about deserve.
Why?
Because the political atmosphere does not allow that. I cannot sit down or take people in group class and bachelo capitalism, socialism. I can't. I cannot tell them about Leninism, Marxism. I can't. So I will die with it.
Yeah,
fine, you can do that, but how many people read Babandebele? It is only those who have interest.
Yeah. So maybe let me ask you something interesting. You were explaining all these complex concepts about socialism, Leninism to our recruits, who some of them had not gone to school, but basuka ke baya Zambia. Umuntu awazi ubhala ibizo lakhe but you are telling them about socialism.
No, we simplify that.
Yeah.
Babekuzwisisa kakhulu. Abantu will understand that. What ngikushele simple thing eyenzakala siselupane. Kusiyavethwa ngasi ngu-chairman welupane district, my own district, right? Kulo jaha omunye owatraine Angola traine i-artillery ibizo lakhe kuthiwa nguLobhengula Khumalo, his real name wangithi khona ngani ujakule nxa simvetha laphana kakhumbuli ama-instructor akhe amtrainayo eAngola but uyakwazi umbhobha awutrainayo kakhumbuli abantu atraina labo. Fortunately kulo munye ubaba ohlezi phandle lapha lenye guerrilla. Elinye guerrilla lihlezi phandle lapha. Bese simbuza ukuthi but phakathi kwabantu khona abahlezi lapha phandle abazivetho lapha ukhona nawe okwaziyo. Ethi yena nguyana ayikhome lihlekela nje. Nanguya ulehlezi lapha. Bese simbiza, simkhipha phandle yena, simbuza. Siqale simvethe. Hayi sibone ukuthi li guerrilla sibili. Mandu inteli guerrilla nchongo liwaveti.
Yeah. I will ask you about that.
Li guerrilla. Now, nxa undoda lwana simbuza lwana, bese simbuza ukuthi lo ndoda lwana uyamazi, amkhangele so, ethi ngiyamazi. Lathi lonke ethi same unit. What trainer i-artillery wayengakhuthi target. Engafundanga njalo. Wayengayikhuthi target. So ngizama lapho ukutshengisa ukuthi kona ukhangela ukuthi as much as abantu abaningi bahambe bengafundanga babelala le problem ukuthi but nxa sokufika lapha they were able to grasp.
But also we need to give credit probably to you guys and who were doing the curriculum. The curriculum yabo was inclusive.
It was, yes.
Yeah, because now you find ukuthi maybe thina ezizenzayo like asiku social media kona. I assume ukuthi video le ngizayifaka ku social media abantu maybe abadala kulawa ababesempini bazabakwazi ukuyi-download bazayidinga nga.
That's it.
And give me, I find it normal. But you guys were able to simplify a machine gun or a whatever machine to umuntu ongahamba ngesikolo ebekwazi ukuyidubula ebekwazi ukuyi-understanda i-politics because you made it accessible to everyone.
Correct. That's why manje again nani i-point engikhulumile lana a soldier without politics.
Yeah.
So nxa usumtshela njalo uKhumalo uLobhengula you would understand ukuthi usemele ukuthi abe politically clear.
Yeah.
I understand ngoba uzaba defined as a gun without that component bolt.
Yeah.
Maybe umunye ngikhona kade somunye ngikhona umunye comrade futhi omunye umkhwananzi. Ukuthi babiza kulandaba abantu ama comrades ami. Umkhwananzi wahamba watrain eRomania kodwa kasakwazi ukuthi watraina nini yokutshethwa 97 ngothi yamphikiswe esezonde ethi ukuthi mina ngamfundanga ngitshela ukuthi mina ngisithutha isiningi ngihambanga wahamba ngesikhathi sempi wayatraina itank sasimbuza ukuthi watrain tank khona zwathi ngatrain tank wenzanga watrainani kutrain wathi ngudriver uthi nxa sithi ungidriver wahlala kuhle qona ukuhlala kuhle sambuza ukuthi driver njani itank wathi afaka so iye phambili ufake so iye move ufake so eceleni ufake so iye ngapha kafundanga
But he can demonstrate.
He can demonstrate.
Yeah.
Ngambona lo ndoda demonstrate la uyabona ukuthi yes leli guerrilla straight away.
So you even in our conversations before this thing, we were talking about the warfare guerrilla, and you prefer ukuthi to guerrilla than being
wonke vele abantu ngama guerrilla vele babandebele. We trained in guerrilla warfare. We're not trained in war veterans.
You're not trained to war.
We're not trained as war veterans.
Yeah.
We're trained as guerrillas,
Yeah.
as liberators. Right. Of course, the word war veteran is being applied to us, but kangela just umuntu yakwanza ukuthi kadesi umuntu ongangaziyo azonke ukuthi ongama war vet lokho. But ngabe sisebenzisa ukuba guerrilla, no one would come and say okungama guerrilla lokho.
Only guerrilla.
No. Sibonga ungama war vet because even I see my behavior yami nxa ungayibonisa itshintshe siba ngendlela behavior njenge war veteran. It is because I was not trained war veteran.
So there's a certain behavior that is associated with war veterans, but there's a certain expectation of a guerrilla.
Yes. Here it comes now. By right, kwakumele nxa sibuya sivele empini singene ekhaya lapha babandebele. Kwakumele siyenziwe correctional services of some sort.
Reorientation.
Reorientation, rehabilitation. City undergo some kind of change.
Yeah.
I'm a development workers in terms of when city presenting a funded development. But when you train somebody, you untrain that somebody.
Yeah.
We're supposed to undergo an untraining process after having been trained as guerrillas, right? But we're not integrated into the society.
Yeah. You figured your way out.
Yeah, we just came in and the situation then became also hostile. We left the situation lapha imbi ngesikhathi siseRhodesia, but when we came back, we subjected to another hostile political situation. Eyabambi kakhulu. But by that time, and you again, ama villagers, they never called us okungama guerrilla. They respected us as guerrillas. But it's a thing ama war veterans, sokungama. Singama guerrilla.
So what did you do to deserve okuba ngokungama?
Right. This is what we did. So kubuye imali ama 50,000. Angisho.
Yeah.
Angifica desperate.
Down and out.
Yeah, vele angilanto engiyenzayo. Angizwisisa. Now, instead yokuthi khona ngibe integrated into the society, understand the environment, I use that money anyhow. And abantu abaningi bahlala besithi uma wovete limizi wovete because uyovete ezelisebenzisa imali. But ama wovete basebenzisa imali bethenga amakhabiji besenza. When I defend them, personally I do defend them because I'm like, what else could they have done?
They didn't know.
Situation abafica bekusimo esingayisiso after having been subjected to a hostile political situation for a long time. All of a sudden sebefika kwesinye isigaba And you expect them to behave like you okade vele usekhaya kwampa ungazange uze ube subjected to any political environment. So those people were right. At least indlela abasebenzisa ngayo imali to me was a way of integrating themselves into the society. Ngoba kwanza ukudingela inkomo imbida if ever they did that. Umuntu inkomo yakhe yadla imbida, umuntu wengadini wathengelwa. This is my argument. Though I don't believe in that though, but into nje uzama nje uzama ukuthi no, integration was never done.
Maybe lastly, what do you think there's still something that can be done to really, change the situation?
Kuzima mama, kuzima. Uyabona kunye futhi engakutsho baba, lasihle ngakutsho sile ukuthi khona izakhamuzi ziyafunda ngondaba lwempi, bayafunda ngokuthatha ilizwe. Bengakufunda ngcono kakhulu kithi thina ama participant.
Yeah.
Abakufundi kithi ama participant. I will never go wrong.
Yeah.
Ngizabatshela exactly okuyikonzakala. At one time ngixoxela abantu abami ukuthi history ubabuze ngami isikhathi kabakwazi. They would rather prefer to go to school and do history abayibale esikolo bengenzi history abayithola kimi.
Yeah.
Bebonta ngisho. Miphilawe kade sinje ukukhuluma ngeni social media la. Kutela sikhule kokula mabhashikopo. Lingayenza amabhashikopo abantu bekhambe bebona amabhashikopo befunda ngathi. Than ukuthi abantu beyibale history. They go to school and learn history. History yes, but is abalombani history ngone.
Yeah.
I'm the participant. I was there. Of course, I would not say everything about the war because I would know where I was and what I did and what the party also taught me. But the other elements other than because we're a formidable, group A sense interest.
Yeah. So today we were doing political science. And so it was not just a simple discussion, it was ideological, it was philosophical. So we were Kuruma guerrilla and not the overt. And there's not overly overt. So there's a difference there. My name is Zenzel Ndebele, and please do subscribe to our channel, follow and comment. Let's meet again next week.
Am I